Okay, you can see the transmission fill port right here. That's the bolt that I had taken out that was super stuck in place. It's got some gasket around it. I'll remove that in a little bit and clean that up. While I had everything heated up from the drive, I went ahead and loosened this, just broke it loose. Obviously, I have not taken it out yet, but that's what I'm going to do right now is remove the drain bolt. I'm just using a 1/2 inch socket wrench. I'm going to continue to let that drain until it's done. So I'll be back after this has stopped dripping. All right, here is the transmission drain bolt. It does have quite a bit of metal shavings on it. I'm just gonna clean this up. Okay, so this is the gear oil that came out of the transmission. I don't know when this has been changed last. It's pretty dirty. But it's kind of pretty, huh? Not great news, but... All right, the gear oil finished draining out of the transmission. I actually lowered the car down, let it drain out evenly, and then I lifted the car again. I've got this Redline Heavy Shockproof that I'm going to be putting in. I have 6 in total. I'm going to start off with 4. It might take just a little bit over 4. And I'm going to apologize in advance for the rain. Once again, it's raining. It's not super loud right now, but it might be. So I might have to voice over. I'm not sure. But anyways, let's get to filling this up with the hand pump. Okay, first things first, I clean this bolt up. I'm going to put it in hand tight and then I'm going to torque it down. Okay, I've got my torque wrench right here. All right, I torqued it to 20 foot-pounds. I'm cleaning it up a little bit. Next, I'm going to fill it up. The fill port is right here above my finger. All right, cool. I put the wrong side of the pump in the bottle. And now I have oil everywhere. Live and learn, I guess. Okay, now it's going the right way. Okay, I put about 4, I put 4 and then roughly 1/3 of another bottle. As you can see, it's starting to run out, so I will let that level as much as it's going to, and then I will put the fill plug back in. Okay, I've got the fill bolt right here. I'm going to put it in hand tight and then torque it down. So that's all there is to changing the gear oil in the transmission. It's pretty straightforward. The only issue that I ran into before I started was that the fill port plug was seized in place and it had red Loctite on it, which was a problem for me. There wasn't enough room to use a torch to heat it up, so I took the car on like a 45-minute drive running errands, and I heated it up enough that I was able to use a breaker bar, tapping it with a hammer, and that broke it loose fairly easily. So if you've run into the same issue, give that a try. It will probably help you out a ton. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, later.